Go ahead. Put it in your mouth. Put it in your mouth.
That's still legal in Nevada.
Good girl. Hooray. Kayla's eating all by herself. Yes. Yes, what?
Now with an acrobatic catch. If you're running down the field at wide receiver, you win the battle at the line of scrimmage. And that fake, a little double move.
Good girl, Kayla. I'll hold the plate. You've eaten all by yourself. Put it in your mouth. Eat good, honey. Good girl.
And this one's good for another 8.
You eating like the big girl? Put it in your mouth.
Right into the arms of David Harris. And Tua. They're going to mark it, looks like just a little bit shy of the first. So hard to stop on short yardage.
I'm eating for the first time all by myself. Yeah, got my own plate, my own spoon. Yeah. I'm eating. I'm having my lunch. Yay. Eat nice, honey. Put it in your mouth. Good girl. Use your spoon. Use your spoon. All right. Dig in. Put it in your mouth.
Hang on. What does this look like to you?
Sand stains.
Yes.
It's not his underwear or exactly probative.
No.
That's why the pass interference happened. What a quick move by Antonio Gates.
Good girl. You're feeding yourself like a big girl.
You will let him intercept it. He's going to the coverage is tight.
Use your spoon. Use your spoon. There you go. Use your spoon. Good girl. She's eating like the big girl. Put it in your mouth. Put it in your mouth, Kayla. You're feeding yourself. What a good girl. Put it in your mouth. Put it in your mouth. You're a big girl. Put it in your mouth. Yum, yum. Put it in your mouth. Yeah, I see. You're eating like a big girl. Put it in your mouth.
You intimated that Blackfoot was your whole life?
Yeah, everything about every way out is my life.
Good girl. Hooray! What a good girl. She's eating so good. Like the big girl. Pop-Pop's watching. I'll hold it for you. I'm sorry. Hooray! Good girl.
Charge for cancellation, so you'll double charge for the hour. I know you have a portion.
Cancellation.
Take some more. Get some more. That's a girl. You feeding yourself like a big girl?
Well, now she needs.
Oh, what a good girl. Hooray.